Ready to give your old jeans and t-shirts a new life? Join us at D4D Studios for our Upcycling Jeans and T-shirts workshop. Whether you're looking to create chic accessories, trendy bags, or fresh new looks from your old clothes, we've got you covered. Bring 3 pairs of jeans, 5 t-shirts, and any embellishments you want to add. We'll supply everything else you need to transform your clothes into one-of-a-kind pieces. Leave with your own custom creations that are both fashionable and sustainable. No experience required. Just bring your creativity. Spaces are limited, so click the link to reserve your spot today.